Hey guys, welcome back to day 5 of 21 days to good hair, and today's 1 second. Have you tried my favorite ingredient till now? It is day 4, and if you haven't, then first go try day 4 and come back for day 5. Well, for those who have tried, welcome back to day 5, and today's ingredient is even good, nice, just like the previous one because it's full of so much goodness. It will take care of your hair fall, it will give shine to your hair, it will take care of excessive oily scalp. It has potassium, iron, calcium, vitamin A, C, K. I know it by heart, but I have not told you the name of the ingredient. Guys, it's fenugreek, which is methi seeds, and today we're going to make a pack. So let's get on to it. And here we have our methi seeds. If you don't have it at home, you can buy it easily for 25 rupees from any grocery or spice market. We will take 2 tablespoons, which will be roasted over a pan. We will then take the roasted seeds in a mixer and grind it for a fine powder. We will take 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 teaspoons of curd, which will be mixed together to form a thick paste. So guys, this is how my hair looks after the wash. In fact, this is the next day I'm recording this. There are few things that I would like you to keep in mind. Okay, it is a bit of a task to apply this mask because it's a little thick in consistency. So I would recommend you not to massage it in like an oil, but just spread it over and leave it as a pack. Also, because fenugreek has a tendency to absorb the water and the moisture, so you will find that the pack is getting dry by every minute. So it's totally okay to keep on adding water to it while you're applying so that the application is easy. Because of the same reason, because fenugreek has a tendency to take in the moisture or the water, so I would like you to keep in mind that do not keep it more than half an hour, otherwise your ends it will tend to get dry. So for those of you who have oily scalp, I'm sure you're gonna love this pack. For rest of you, I would still recommend you to go through this ingredient and probably just apply it on your scalp and leave the ends, so at least you can benefit from the hair falling and have your hair grow again with the help of this pack. So yeah, this was it. It was great. Only the applying part was a bit cumbersome, but I think you can do that for hair growth. So that was day 5. I will see you guys very soon with day 6. Bye guys.